Hello everybody, you're in the official CScalp channel. My name is Victor and I'm glad to welcome you here. In today's video we're going to talk about a new online feature which helps you to analyze your trading statistics and probably find some mistakes and fix them. This is the Trader's Diary. The free trading terminal CScalp is used in more than 50 countries all over the world. The legislation of every country to exchange trading is widely different. According to license agreement, while using CScalp, the trader is responsible for complying with legislation of his country. Respect the law. Thank you for attention. Trader's Diary is created for helping traders to analyze their trades, finding and fixing mistakes, or just for analyzing your trading statistics. Also, there is a great opportunity to share your trades anonymously. It's a good thing for those who trade in a team or discuss their results with the teachers or partners. The diary is created for active traders, or in other words, scalpers. However, it also can be used for those who trade swing trades or practice position trading. Now the diary is connected to the Binance exchange. Other platforms will be added in the nearest future. Also, we update the diary with new functions on a regular basis. For example, it will automatically find mistakes in risk management and give you advice of fixing them. So now let's understand how to connect the diary to the Binance exchange and how it works. Firstly, we have to open the CScalp bot. So the nickname, you can check it here, CScalp bot. Then we click settings, waiting the bot to upload. Then we have to push manage keys. Afterwards, we click add keys if we want to add some new API keys from the Binance exchange, or to delete keys if we want just to delete the keys that are already exists here. So we add keys here, and firstly we have to paste the API which was previously created on the Binance exchange. Afterwards we have to paste here our secret API, and finally the bot automatically connect the Binance exchange with the trader's diary. So afterwards we click back, and there the bottom there is the button appears, and it is called trading diary. So we click here and the bot gives us the link. So all the details about the diary and how to use it are here. So it's the link with instructions, and here is the link for the diary. So you click it and your diary will open automatically. It looks like that. uh, and also I want to say that this link is working only for 1 hour. For example, if you use diary for the whole day, so you're using this link like in a period of 10 minutes, or I don't know, 15 minutes, half an hour, it will be active. However, if you make a break for 1 hour, you'll have to create a new one. So here is how our diary looks like. Is already connected to the Binance account through the API keys, and it scans all the buys and sells on the particular instrument and forms trades. So every trade is a line, so like you can see here, and this is also the total number of buys and sells. So for example, firstly we open a long position, so this is our the first buy opens our trade and the last buy close our trade. The time of the trade is forming according to a last transaction. For example, if you opened the position yesterday and closed it today, the whole trade will be marked as today's trade. One line, as I already said, is one trade which you can open. So you can see a graph here. So all the points of entering and closing the position are also depicted here. Also, you can you can write a command for each trade because, and I really recommend you doing that because it helps you to understand when, why you open the trade. Uh, I mean, to fix your emotions and feelings, what you were feeling during the trade, and not to repeat the previous mistakes if you have one. For example, let's add a comment here, like we trade from a density. So as you can see here, the comment is saved. So trades are forming days, and days, as you can see here, are grouped into weeks. So here we can see all the trades so that were made like this day, and here's like the summary, the previous week. We can see the summary of trading days. Uh, Profit days are painted with green color, and days when you get loss are red. For example, this day was profitable, however, the next day was loss, so the total amount of loss is bigger rather than the profit. So the finally day is depicted in red color. So the diary is monitoring trades automatically, so you don't have to use Excel or other reductors to write down the statistics. Also, it allows you to share our trading results anonymously, so other traders won't see like your balance, your account number, or other important info, like your, as I said, balance. So let's see just how to share your trades. You can share one trade or one day or even 1 week. So as you can see here on the left side, there is a special sign. For example, we want to share a trade. So we click here and get this trade. So we can just copy the link, then paste it to the guy that we want to send the trade, and he or she, so the trader, will see this trade, and the only things that he can see is the time of the trade, the site, so the buy or sell, uh, the the number, the volume, the price of entering and closing, so the amount of dollars, and your fee. So as I said, also you can share a day like here, where all the trades and comments will be depicted, and weeks. So all the statistics here that we can see is almost the same. Like we have a link, we have a time of the trade, we have the P&L, that means that profit and loss. So like the profitable day or the loss day, etc., etc. So the symbol or a ticker. Then, so this is long or short trade, the P&L in percent, and also a fee and a comment. So also one important thing is that you can depict all your statistics through the picture. So you have to click on the right upper corner. So you can also save the statistics like a screen, or share it with your friends, partners, or teammates through the Telegram here. Also, you can make it the full screen. And one interesting moment here with the question sign. Here's like the information about how use the diary, and also some instructions. So guys, finally, today we understood how to connect the trader's diary to the Binance exchange, and afterwards everything will be automatically. So we understood why we need this diary and why it can be useful. So also, mm, We finally get how to make all the statistics, how to write down the comments, how to share a day, a trading day, a trade, or a week with your friends or teammates, for example. So we hope that the trading diary will be useful for you and will help you to analyze your uh, trading activity. Thank you very much, guys, for attention. This is all for today. This was the CScalp channel. We wish you good luck and great trades. Bye.